Behind the masks, teaching during the COVID pandemic. Many classrooms are too small to allow a distance of 6 feet between students in pods of 15 or more. For safety, students and teachers must maintain 6 feet distance and are required to wear a mask all day. There will be limited assistance from teachers to students who need it most until medical-grade PPE is provided. Students in hybrid model will learn from their desks online, receiving the same instruction as those learning from the safety of their home. Some districts are forcing teachers to use a concurrent model, instructing students in person and online at the same time. This model is not sustainable, causing faster burnout of employees. There will be no singing, dancing, or physical activity for students who are learning in person. Specials teachers, social workers, speech therapists, and psychologists are expected to instruct multiple pods, some cross-building sites, which increase the likelihood of COVID-19 transmission. We had a teacher shortage before the COVID-19 pandemic. Currently, education professionals all around the nation who do not feel safe returning to in-person schools are being forced to retire, resign, or take an unpaid leave of absence. Public schools during this global pandemic simply do not have the staffing needed to open or cover classes. Districts placing students and staff health and safety first continued online instruction. Students and teachers are currently in a structured remote learning routine. Teachers have established relationships with students and are seeing growth as students develop an abundance of technology skills. We are in the middle of an active global pandemic with over 369,000 U.S. deaths and 1.8 million deaths worldwide. Many people who have recovered from COVID-19 are experiencing long-term symptoms, damage to the brain, and overall health issues. Scientific Advisory Group for Emergency report approved before the emergence of the new SARS-CoV-2 B.1.1.7 variant stated, transmission to children and young people can occur in household, community, and educational settings. High confidence. Age 2 through 16-year-olds are twice as likely to pass on the virus within their household. One of the only counties tracing and tracking COVID-19 school-based transmission is St. Charles County, Missouri, where 64% of exposures were at the school. Join educators across the nation as we uplift our concerns to the national level. Together, we will make clear that the new Biden-Harris administration needs to invest in our schools and communities in order to open schools safely for in-person learning.